Hey guys, welcome back to Frequently Asked Questions, and in today's video, I'm going to be helping you solve this problem where Shein will not let you check out. So first things first, let us find out why these problems actually happen. Usually, you can get error messages like, you can get specific ones. For example, there are common ones like payment declined, order processing error, and network error, okay? These are some common ones, and now you need to understand what the error message is so you can probably diagnose the problem. Okay? So what's actually happening is maybe the page not loading, or the buttons becoming unresponsive, or your order is simply stuck. So there are some problems and there are many solutions. For example, if you're having network issues, right? So if you have a weak Wi-Fi signal or you have your mobile data has limitations which can hinder the checkout process, what we can do is you can try switching to a different network, a stronger network, or you can switch from Wi-Fi to mobile data and vice versa. And then guys, of course, if you're using an outdated app and browser, this can cause some compatibility issues. You want to ensure that you're actually using the latest version of the Shein app, and you want to try clearing your browser's cache and cookies. If you don't know how to do that, guys, you come here and click on those three dots at the top right corner for Google Chrome, and then you head to the settings. You want to go and click on, okay, you want to go to history. You want to go to Chrome history, and then you want to delete browser data, and then you want to make sure you check cookies and other site data and cached images and files, and you want to delete all those datas for all a time. Okay, that should help you with that. And then if you're having payment hiccups, you want to just double check your payment information. You want to make sure you have put in the accurate information, and of course you have the sufficient amount of funds to go through with the transaction. And if the issue is still persisting, guys, you want to consider going with a different payment method. And sometimes, guys, of course, Shein or other websites, of course, they all experience temporary outages or, high traffic. Even YouTube sometimes has those problems. So these things can lead to checkout delays. You can check out their social media channels or website for updates. You want to try again during peak hours. So these are some of the problems and solutions, guys. So I hope this video helps you out, guys. And if it did, guys, consider smashing the like button as well as subscribing to Frequently Asked Questions. And I'll see you in the next one.